Good evening, wonderful family. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you for always stopping by. I want to appreciate my viewers. If you've been viewing my videos without subscribing, please kindly hit the subscribe button to make yourself a full member of the family. Turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload new videos on YouTube. And if you have been with me all this while, thank you. I really do appreciate. May God continue to bless you in everything you do. Okay? You'll be the first and not the last. Okay? No evil shall befall you in the mighty name of Jesus. Thank you all and God bless you. So in today's video, I'll be talking about what you would do on the 1st of August. Okay? Yes, do this. Tomorrow is 1st of August. And I just checked it now. I said, okay, let me quickly make this video before I continue with other things I'm doing. Sundays are meant to be very, very powerful for any rituals you're doing. Anytime you're carrying out a prosperity rituals, okay, for the week, try to do it on Sunday or on Monday morning, okay? But since the 1st of August entered on a Sunday, I thought it was wise to do this video so that everybody will benefit. It will give me joy if my subscribers are doing well, because if they are doing well, I am doing well, okay? Yes, some of them that dash me money, assuming they are not doing well or the work I did for them did not work for them, they cannot dash me. That is why I keep praying for every member of my channel, everybody under this channel, that you will be a giver, not a receiver. Okay, people, you will favor people, you will bless, because it's only when you have that you'll be able to bless people. Okay, yes, what you will do tomorrow, being Sunday, once you wake up, hmm, before you talk to anybody, before you do anything, it's just as simple as that. This is my rice, uncooked rice. I've made so many videos on rice. We all know that rice is good for attraction of wealth, abundance. Okay, that is why anytime they are doing any ceremony, there must be rice. Even if there's no other food, there must be rice. That means celebration. Celebration will not lack in your home. Abundance will not lack in your home. That is what it means spiritually. But some of you will just go to an occasion and eat right without knowing what it means. Okay, that is what it means spiritually. Abundance, celebration, prosperity. Mm? That is why you use rice for any occasion you're doing. Okay, so once you wake up in the morning, pray. Okay, take out 21 seeds of rice. You're going to count it, 21 seeds of rice. Okay, I don't know how many rooms you live in. Okay, but each room, make sure you spray the 21 seeds all over. They just come in front of your door and spread the rice. Let it enter anywhere it wants to enter. Okay, you go to another room, even your kitchen, everywhere. Make sure you spray 21 all over your rooms. If you stay in a room, fine. So after spraying this thing, you go and take your bath. If you're going to church, you go. Once you come back, you sweep it out. Okay, or if you're not going to church, after like 1 hour or 2 hours, you sweep it out. Then when you pack it, make sure you gather all of them, all the ones in the room. May not be complete because it's small. Some will enter where you cannot sweep it out immediately, but the ones you can gather, you can sweep. That will be perfect. Okay, gather it in a packing pan. Okay, and go and crush it outside. Okay, and when you're trashing, don't just pour it, just spray it to continue when you spray, when you just drop that thing, is the spiritual work is not complete. Just spray it, let it go in a straight line. That is creating ways for prosperity, creating ways for abundance. Okay, as you're doing it, be spiritually alert. Be saying your intentions in your mind. You must not shout. Okay, somebody told me the other day that her neighbors used to hear when she's praying and to know her prayer point. How will you be shouting when you're praying? Hmm? You only know that I'm praying because of maybe the position I'm staying, but without that, you will not hear what I'm saying. There are monitoring spirits, the ones that are physical. Okay, let us be battling with the spiritual ones, because the spiritual ones are very easy to settle. But you see, the physical spiritual monitoring spirits, they are very, very hard to settle. When you're dealing, I prefer dealing with spirits than human being. Do you know why? When you give spirit whatever he or she wants, that spirit will never disturb you again. But you see, human being, if you tell that, look at why I'm doing this thing, because you offended me that day, even if you beg from now to tomorrow, that person may not forgive you with all her heart. Each time she sees you, he or she will still want to hurt you. Or if he sees you progressing again, he or she will want to go and do that thing again. But once his spirit that is affecting you, maybe ancestral spirit and whatever, you go and settle them. Hmm? Just give them what they are requesting. Give Caesar what belongs to Caesar. That spirit will bless you in return. But you see, human beings. So that is why I prefer fighting with spiritual monitoring spirit than physical one. Because that physical one can even send the children to come and check whatever you're doing, and when they will be coming to give her returns. She can even pay people to come and be monitoring you without your knowledge. Okay, and that is why when you're battling with physical monitoring spirits, no matter the kind of, if not, if you don't have a strong spirituality that will go and blind her, as a make her to be crippled, or give her a befitting sickness that will keep her in one place, that person will not leave you or do back to sender. So whatever she's planning for you, it will be going back to her. That is the only way to be free from those physical monitoring spirits. Okay, so what am I saying in essence? When you sprinkle this rice, you pray inside your heart. Pray inside your heart. After that, go back to your house without speaking to anybody. When you go inside your house, just begin to imagine how your month is going to be, how God is going to bless you abundantly, how God is going to open your ways. Okay? Remember, as you're sprinkling the rice, say your intention. Tell God that this is how, as I'm spreading this one, that is how money will flow. Uncountable money, because when money is uncountable, you will spray it. But if it's countable, you cannot spray like that. You know how much you hold in your hand. Once that one finish, you will pack. Let's tell God you want money, abundance money. Let the money flow the way you're sprinkling this rice. Believe you me, after doing this spiritual assignments, you must notice an inflow in this month. Okay, if you're a business person, you begin to see a lot of increase in your sales. Okay, if you have people that are supposed to be giving you money, they're supposed to favor you, you will see them calling you. Somebody told me that she used my favor so for once. Her uncle that promised her money for over 2 years called her that she resend her account number. So that means this uncle have her phone number, all this, but have refused to call her. If she calls, he will not pick. So this is how God can do he can open ways for you when you're doing a spiritual work. Okay, so do this spiritual assignment. Don't forget to bath with soap tomorrow and with salt tomorrow, and don't forget to give beggars or anybody you know you're better than money. Okay, do this and come back for your testimony. Always await your testimony under the comment section or on my WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you for watching the video, and see you in my next video. Have a blessed weekend. Bye bye.